In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create collections on Shopify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about creating collections on Shopify, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's get right into this guide. So, to start creating collections on your Shopify store, first, open your store and click on Customize. If you've already added some featured products, you might want to include a featured collection or a collection list. To do this, click on Add section. Select Collection List, and the Collection List option will appear. However, before adding it, let's create our collections. Head to Products on the left sidebar and select Collections. Here, you might have existing collections, but let's start from scratch. Click on Create Collection. Give your collection a title. Add a description. And ensure the collection type is set to Manual so that we can add items ourselves. Add an image and save the collection. Next, go to your products. Select the ones you want to include in this collection. Click the three dots. Select Add to Collections and pick the collection you just created. Save these selections. Now, return to the Customize tab in your store. Scroll down to find the Collection List section. Select it, and a new section will pop up. Click on Collection. Choose your collection, confirm the selection, and remove any empty spaces. Once done, save your design by clicking on the top right. To see how it appears on your web page, exit the customization and click on the eye to view your online store. Scroll down, and you'll find your collection displayed right there. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.